Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and what I have here is a portable pickleball net. This thing is regulation size, a little over 21 feet long, and it takes about 5 minutes to assemble. Cool part is that it does come with its own travel bag. It comes with pickleballs, but no paddles. Got to bring your own paddles. The construction is all of a looks to be like it's like aluminum or steel assembly. Everything kind of pops together with these little pop buttons. They kind of like snap together, push them down, and then it locks into place. And the netting is all of a nice construction, just kind of slides into place. The feet have little pads on it, kind of keeps it nice, neat, and in order. One side, it does come with a pickleball holder, kind of hangs off the side here. This is the brand. And yeah, it's nice, bright yellow. It comes with 4 pickleballs, 2 yellow and 2 chartreuse. Everything fits in the bag, nice and neat for easy travel. So if you're wanting a, let's just say a portable pickleball set where you can probably take some chalk and draw chalk lines, get it nice and official, right to the measurements you might need. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have. Full disclosure, this company did send this to me, said, Ryan, give us an honest review. Does this thing work? Can we put it together this fast? What do you think about it? Hopefully that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.